Hey folks, it's Russ here. How are we doing? Hey, I have a confession to make. I'm afraid I'm becoming a paddle junkie because I keep wanting more paddles. Selkirk has so many good choices and options that I keep wanting to try them all and get them all. My favorite paddle so far has been the Luxx Control Air Epic. I love this paddle. It's 20 millimeters. It's got such a soft hit to it. I love this paddle. But a friend of mine loaned me. Let me show you what I got. And I'll tell you. It just showed up. Can't wait to try it. It is the Luxx Control Air Invikta. So the difference here, other than it being red, my favorite color, is that it is just a tad bit longer than the Epic. You see the little edge up here? Okay, so, and it's just a tad bit narrower. So what this gives you is just a little more power. So where this gave me so much control and good power, this, the one I tried with my friend, gave me a little better reach, because it's a little longer, but a little more power, okay? Still a ton of control. So I had to go out and get me one right away. And I can't wait to try this out. You should try it too. If you're looking to go online and buy one, you get a free gift and a gift card on Selkirk if you use my promo code, which is ADV, as an advocate, ADV-R Lombardo, all one word. Thanks for watching. Take care.